So here the question is, show that the expression for the frequency of the rotor EMF F dash is equal to slip into supply frequency. So initially when the rotor is stationary and supply is given to the stator which contain the windings, the frequency of the rotor current F dash is same as that of the supply frequency. We know in the air gap between the stator and rotor, there is the rotating magnetic field is produced, and the speed of this rotating magnetic field is called synchronous speed, and it is denoted as ns. And synchronous speed is measured by the equation 120 f by p, where f is the supply frequency and p is the number of pole. So the moment rotor starts rotating, the frequency of the rotor current depends on the relative speed. So if the rotor frequency is f dash and relative speed is, that is the speed, synchronous speed minus rotor speed. So we can write that 120 f dash by p is equal to ns minus n. But we know the synchronous speed is equal to 120 f by p. So if I divide the equation by ns, then what I will get? 120 f dash by p into by ns is equal to ns minus n by ns, which is equal to slip. So by putting the value of ns 120 f by p, we can get f dash by f is equal to s. So f dash is equal to s into f.